Hi, welcome to Excel Doctors. This video is called Selecting Data and Basic Filtering. What we're going to learn is how to select a data set and some of the really easy things that you can do with it. So let's say I have this data set. It would probably look close to something you've seen before. What you can do to select it, the step one is just highlight it with your mouse. Pretty easy if you have a small one, pretty hard if you have a big one. The most common way to do it is to hold Control and Shift and use your down arrow keys and right arrow keys to cover the entire data set. So if I hit down, it goes all the way down, right, goes all the way right. So you can do that from this corner if you hit Control Shift left and down, or down and left, same thing. That's pretty common. The other thing you can do is hit Control A, and that will also select your data set. So that's selecting data sets. One thing to note is that if you have a break in your data set, like if I don't have a value for this field, when I hit Control or when I hit Control and Shift, it will stop there. So I'll have to go to the next logical end and then to the one after that. Assuming you don't have any breaks from left to right, you should be able to grab the rest of your data the same way. Okay, so basic sorting, you shouldn't really use what's up here for it. The command has been the same since Excel 2003. It's Alt-D-S, so Alt-D and S will bring up this sort window. And here you can say, okay, my data has headers, so I'm going to sort by place first and then by day part. So it's got place and then date part. Let's see that again. So Alt-DS, let's say I want to sort by the letter alphabet, and that's it. So I've got all my A's, my B's, my C's, D's, and E's. The other thing you can do with the basic data set is open up a filter, and you do this by hitting Alt-D-T. Usually when you have Alt commands, you don't have to hold them together. So you just hit Alt and then D and then T. Oops, sorry. Alt-A-T. I should change that here. And what it does is it gives you these filters at the top. So you can say, I only want to look at the records where this place is New York. And then only where the letter is E. See that? Pretty cool. You can add as many as you want. To get out of this view, you have to hit Alt-A-T again, anywhere you're on the screen. So you could be up here and hit Alt-A-T. So that's filtering. The last thing is in selecting a data set, because it all often goes together, although there'll be a separate video on this. If you have a data set selected and all of the fields have something in them, so not like this, what you can do is you can open a pivot table by hitting Alt-D, P, and then enter 3 times. Honestly, it's the quickest way to get there. So you just do Alt-D, P, 1, 2, 3. Alt-D, P, 1, 2, 3. Very simple. So right there here. Alt-D, P, and then enter times 3. Cool. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please check back here for more videos and updates. Thanks.